in, guys. Just turned it on, dropped it down a hair, and see, it is official. And it's looking great. Let's get out of the car. It's hard to see, it is dark, but man, she's sitting right. Sorry it's so dark, guys. I'm going to put it up to the recommended height, which is 70 for the front. Go, guys. It's up. Probably can't tell, but it's up. Manual mode right now. I mean, this is a preset. I haven't calibrated this. This is just literally the initial turn on and test. Just make sure we're good, everything's functioning, all the corners are correct, everything's running how it should be. We seem good, guys. Here we go. What I want to do is take this for the slightest spin, see how she feels, and then we're going to come back and torque everything down. Alright guys, so we just got back from our test drive. Everything felt tight, everything felt smooth. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and calibrate this setup just to make sure everything's accurate, and then from there we can have all our presets and get everything set up exactly how it needs to be. So we're just going to go ahead and run through this calibration. You guys can kind of see how everything falls in line. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up the 3P install on this 3rd gen Challenger. This was a 16 SXT Plus. From here, really, we might actually go ahead and do the height sensors, because as of right now, if you watch the rest of the series, it is just wired for the height sensors. It doesn't actually have them installed yet, but we're going to run the 3P for a little bit, see how it goes, and then maybe in the near future, we're going to go ahead and finish it off and install the height sensors. But hopefully this helped, guys. You know, this was not crazy, but definitely a big job. So, you know, if you guys are looking to bag your Challenger, maybe this might give you some insight and a little bit of how-to on certain aspects of the install. So make sure you follow and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more bag builds, guys.